a cake factory today. This factory makes great cakes for 0.6 inches. Let me show you. We are at the tube workshop. See, so many papers. You know the papers, the price of the paper is also increased a lot. Guess how many shots for this cake? This one have 100 shots. Because for the 0.6 inch cakes, the tubes is very small. Put the inner tubes into the outer tubes. See, this is our product for Russian market. It has 105 shots with the form in the middle. Let's check. 0.6. The inner tube is 16 millimeter. So small. There are many factories can make 1.0 and 1.2 inches cakes, but only few factories can make small inches, such as 0.6 and 0.8. If you want to order small inches cakes, please contact us. Bye bye.